This is the ultimate guide to teaching a toddler to talk.
Hello!
My techniques will not take much time or effort. Really, I'm teaching you how to tweak what you're already doing so that your time is more effective for language learning. Honestly, implementing as little as just 15 minutes a day of focused language learning, like I show you in the videos of me working with children, that can make a huge difference in your child's life.
As an early childhood educator for more than 20 years and now the mom to two small little girls, I can highly recommend Kayla's course to you. It's developmentally appropriate. She gives you wonderful skills that help bond with your child and help them to learn all the things that they need to learn for speech.
I finished the videos first. It was a race.
Yeah, it was a race to finish the videos. We really found Kayla to be a great teacher, really relatable. All of the lessons are practical. They have helpful tips and resources at the end, printouts. Really, it's really engaging.
And not only did I learn fun and effective strategies for helping my new toddler clients communicate, but I took away excellent tips for parent education and training as well.
My daughter was 16 months old and she only had 3 words in her vocabulary. I went online to look for tips and things, and I came across your YouTube videos and I loved them. They worked. So I purchased the course. It's been 3 months and she's up to 8 words. She engages. She has really good eye contact, and you just provide such an amazing breakdown of how to play games with them, the songs to use, and like the activities that you recommend and everything. It's just such an amazing tool.
I really love the course, so I strongly recommend it to the parents who are speech pathologists who are in search of ideas to help your kids from crying to signing to talking.
I highly recommend that you download the course and that you do it. And like me, you will help your child, and you'll be so happy that you did.
Start making progress now by taking my online course.
Don't miss out on this opportunity to receive 15% off with this promo code.
Can't wait to hear about the progress that you make. Happy talking with your toddlers.